It's going to take some getting used to. The UN has just released a report that says a plant-based diet can help fight climate change. And today, in the Your Morning Kitchen, we're going to try to do our part and to do just that. Carolyn Simon is known as the Patty Queen for her vegan Jamaican patties, and she'll be showing us how to use jackfruit with a Caribbean twist in tacos. How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you for having me.
Okay, so you know I'm a notorious meat eater.
Yes,
Proud
I
of it, but we're going to do something different today.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
so talk to me about why jackfruit is so good and versatile for this type of food.
So jackfruit is really great. It's kind of like tofu. It'll take on the flavor of anything that you use it to season with.
Okay.
And usually when you're gonna cook, it's good to use for if you're making like a curry, a curry meat, plant-based dish or jerk or something like that.
Okay.
So basically it is...
So this is what it looks like once you take the skin off.
This is the young jackfruit, not the ripe. This is the young jackfruit that we use to get the savory dishes.
Okay.
And so what we're gonna do is make a jerk taco.
All right,
today.
let me help. How can we do this?
So what we do first is that there's olive oil and then onion and garlic.
Yeah.
We saute it in a pot.
Okay.
And so once it's warm, we add with water. We have some jerk sauce. We have thyme, onion, and garlic powder.
Okay.
After that, we put it in a pot and we cook it for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
We wait till it cooks down, and then we start to crush it.
Okay.
Like at the end of 20 minutes, it'll get like this, and we just crush it down, crush it down. And once it's crushed down, because all of the water makes the jackfruit relax. Like you see it there, it's here.
It pulls apart.
Yeah, it pulls apart. So once it's pulled apart, we put it on a baking tray with oil. And then we put it in the oven, we spread it out, and we put it in the oven for about 25 to 35 minutes.
And that'll dry it out.
Yeah, and halfway you turn it over.
Okay.
And so once that is finished, this is what we get.
All right, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I never would have guessed this wasn't meat. I mean, it has passed the visual test.
Yes.
This is impressive.
Yes, it is.
And I'm gonna guess that with all of those spices and the jerk spice, it's loaded with flavor.
It is, it is.
So it's about texture then.
Yes.
This is key. Okay, so what do we have to, because it looks great, so well done there, but what do we have here? What's this right here?
So this is a coconut lime cilantro sauce.
Okay.
And we have avocados to go along with it, red cabbage, tomato, and onions.
Okay, I want to build one of these tacos. I'm really curious. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this. And while we're doing this, tell me about these other sauces over here, because I kind of want to add them.
So the sauces we have over here are curry. This is a curry sauce.
Yeah.
This is a garlic sauce, and this is a jerk sauce. So this is using plant-based mayo.
Okay.
And then we just added, onion powder, garlic powder. This one has jerk sauce added. This one has curry, onion powder.
Yeah, I mean, they look bright. They look like they'd be delicious.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put this one on, and I kind of want to use that one there.
Yeah, use the garlic sauce. And then it has fresh thyme. These two have fresh thyme.
Okay, and so I want to get this fast because I want to talk about these patties over here because they look amazing. Okay, I gotta try this. Okay, here we go. All right, this is a big deal for me. This is a big deal for me. I wouldn't have known that wasn't meat.
Really?
I really good.
Really? Are you lying, Ben?
I don't lie in the kitchen. People know at home if I'm lying. My mom knows I'm lying. No, that's really good.
I'm so glad you like it.
Really... All right, we only have 30 seconds left.
Okay, here.
Look at this.
Okay, so these are vegan Jamaican patties, and these are the dipping sauces to go along with them. So it's just a plant-based version. So this is coconut milk, kale, carrots, and they're really good. I think so. And it's a cleaner version.
Okay. 100%, no word of a lie, hand on the Bible. This is freaking delicious.
Thank you.
This is freaking delicious. I can't, it tastes so good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have cracked the code. You have found a way to make vegetables, I'm not gonna say taste like meat, but acceptable to a meat eater.
Thank you,
in such a delicious way.
Thank you, Ben.
Carolyn, thank you. And for all the recipes, be sure to head to our website, yourmorning.ca. Don't go anywhere. We're going to be right back.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.